Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. Today we are going to solve a very important problem from module 3 sampling theory. So the question is, a coin was tossed 1000 times and had turns of 540 times. Test the hypothesis that the coin is unbiased at 1% level of significance. So now let us suppose the coin is unbiased. So probability of getting head in one toss, which is equal to 1 by 2, and q equals to 1 by 2. This is a probability we are getting a heads. Now what is the expected numbers of heads in 1000 tosses, which is np. So what is the value of n, which is 1000, multiply what is the value of p, which is 1 by 2. It becomes 500. Expected numbers of heads in 1000 times, this is the value. So now what is the number of heads? Number of heads already given in this question, which is 540. So number of heads, which is equal to 540. So what is the difference, which is x minus np, which is equal to 540 minus 500, which is equal to 40. Now what our SNV, which is equal to z equal to x minus np by sigma. So what is the value of sigma? Sigma is nothing but under root npq. So z equals to, what is the difference? 40 divided by under root, what is the value of n, which is 1000. So 1000 multiply p value is 1 by 2 and q value is also 1 by 2. Here 1000 is there. So when you solve it, it become 2.53. So we have to check at 1% level of significance. So what is the value, critical value of z at 1% level of significance, which is 2.58. So sorry, 58. So when you compare the z value to the SNV value, 2.53 is less than 2.58. So we can say that the coin is unbiased, because the value which is we got is less than 2.58 at 1% level of significance. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.